Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about importing packages in Java. In Java we can import packages, so we have to write import keyword followed by the name of the package, like java.util.star. This statement will import all the classes from inside the util package, but also we can import one specific class from inside the util package. In that case we have to write java.util dot and then the name of the class, like scanner. So this line of statement will import only the scanner class from inside the util package. Similarly also we can import user defined packages, like if we have one package called pack1 which has some class inside it, then we can import that user defined package by using the import keyword followed by the name of the package, like pack1. Then we can import all the classes from inside the package using the asterisk symbol, or we can import some specific class from inside the package. So in this example program we have one class A which is inside the package called pack1, and the class A has one method called method A, and this method prints the string method from pack1 onto the console. So now we're gonna use the cmd and we're gonna compile and create that pack1 inside the current directory. So we have to write javac -d, and then we have to use the dot to represent the current directory, and then the source file a.java. And you can see there is one package called pack1 has been created inside the current directory, and inside of the package we have the a.class. So now we have one package called pack2, and inside the pack2 we are importing all the classes from the package pack1, and inside the package 2 we have one class B, and which has the main method, and inside the main method we are creating object of the class A which has been imported from the pack1, and we are using the object and calling the method A which has been located in the class A. So now we are going to use the command prompt and we are going to compile and create the package. So we are going to write javac -d and we are going to use dot. This will create the package in the current directory, and then the name of the source file which is b.java. And you can see there is one package created called pack2, and inside that package we have b.class. So now to run the program we have to write java followed by the package which contains the class having the main method. So in our case that is located in the pack2, so we're gonna write pack2 dot the class name which is b, and you can see the output method from pack1. So this way we can import classes from other packages and we can create their object and call the methods. So hope you understand how we can import packages in Java. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.